Smash burger tacos. You know I had to give this viral recipe a try, and guess what? It is a hit. Oh my goodness, this is so good. And you know I'm about to show you how it's done, and I cannot wait for you to try this one. So we're not gonna waste any more time. We gotta get right on into it. So let's get started. So you're gonna begin with your tortillas as well as your ground beef. Go ahead and plop that ground beef right on top of the tortilla, and you're just gonna flatten it all the way to the edge. Add more if you need, and you really want this thin, okay? This is a smash taco. It's thin, it's gonna cook quick, it's gonna cook evenly, okay? So go ahead and smash it nice and thin all the way to the edge. There's a lot of controversy over this recipe right here. Obviously taking raw ground beef and pressing it along the tortilla, but you'll be fine, guys. You will be okay. We're gonna make sure this patty cooks all the way through, so there's no concerns at all. If you really are concerned, you can always cook your patty separately and place it onto your tortilla afterwards. All right, so once we have our ground beef pressed into our tortilla, we're gonna season them up properly with the Slap Your Mama Cajun seasoning. We're gonna generously sprinkle this right on top of our patties and just press it on in. We're gonna get our cast iron pan nice and hot to about a medium to medium high. I'm gonna slightly, just very slightly oil up my cast iron skillet, and we are gonna cook these bad boys up, okay? So you're gonna put them patty side down. Go ahead and give them a press, okay? Make sure you press them down, okay? This is a smash taco. So smash that bad boy down to this cast iron skillet just like so. So you get a nice, beautiful sear. That first side is gonna cook for a good 4 to 5 minutes. You want a nice, beautiful crust like you see on my screen here. And a lot of people put American cheese on this bad boy, but we're gonna spice it up a little bit and use pepper jack cheese, okay? And you're gonna let that other tortilla side cook into its nice, beautiful, and crispy like so. And you're just gonna form it into a taco shape like so. I'm using my taco holder to give myself a little bit of assistance here. And you're gonna move on until you have all your tacos ready to go. And we're gonna top this off with, we're gonna keep it simple, lettuce, tomato, and I have a creamy honey chipotle sauce, store-bought, that I'm gonna drizzle right on top afterwards as well. And wow, chef kiss. This right here is a fun little snack, very easy to make, so darn delicious, okay? Let me know, have you heard of this viral recipe? It's been all over the place, all over TikTok, everywhere. I wanted to give it a try and show you guys how it came out, and it came out awesome. Awesome. Patty is super juicy, super flavorful. The pepper jack cheese gives it a little bit of edge, you know what I mean? And then that honey chipotle sauce, oh my. With that right on top, pressure. I'm trying to let you know. And like I said before, I can't wait for you to try this one because I know you're gonna love it. And if you like today's video, go ahead and drop your boy a like. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, rock that notification bell so you don't miss out on the latest video. Drop a comment down below, let me know what y'all think, and I will for sure see you all on the next video. Deuces.